Hi guys, me and Mike, we've got a little repair job to do this morning. Well, Mike has, so I'm just going to video it. So, was it last week or the week before, Mike? I was using this and you noticed it was making a funny noise, didn't you?
Oh yeah, it sounded awful.
I knew it was making a funny noise, but I was a little bit in denial. It was still cutting the grass and I was still getting the jobs done. But yeah, I was definitely in denial. But we had a bit of time left, didn't we, on the end of that day, and we investigated it. What did we find out, Mike?
That this pulley is broke off.
Yeah, so that pulley is knackered.
Well, tensioner, isn't it, I suppose?
Yeah, so it's just for tensioning the belts. It's a good chance actually, Mike, wasn't it, just to have a look at the condition of the belts.
Yeah.
And you put a bit of grease on the top of the pulleys as well.
Where we can as well.
Yeah.
The nipples.
Yeah, but obviously avoiding putting any grease in these bits, didn't you, Mike?
Yeah.
You know, you don't want the belt slipping. Yeah, you did the nipples as well, like you said. Yeah. So what's the first step then, Mike? You got to take that.
Oh yeah, I just took the cowling off. 3 nuts on this one.
Okay.
Got bolts, not nuts.
Where's the cowling? Yeah.
Just there.
So yeah, first thing, Michael took that off.
And what I am going to do is just take a picture of the belts, just to be.
Oh, okay.
Just so I know which configuration it goes.
Yeah, that's a good tip there, Mike. I do that with things like if you disconnect the phone and things like that on TV. Take a photo of the wires first.
Alright, so I've got to take this spring off to release the tension. I saw this online and I'm sure it works.
Okay. Was that YouTube?
Yeah.
The power of YouTube.
Back in the day.
What did we do before YouTube, Mike?
Struggled.
Bailing string, farmers, you know, don't leave home without bailing string, do they?
He says.
When you were a farmer, you used to...
That works. Well, it's good, that does.
Bloody hell, just missed that. Can you do it again?
I put it on. He says. There we go. Unlock.
Okay. Give it a good pull. Whee! Yeah, I was just saying, I knew a farmer years ago. He used to use that to keep his trousers up.
Yeah, I've seen a farmer using his trousers.
Yeah. It was the...
Might be the same one.
It was the orange stuff though, weren't it?
Yeah. might be the same one, you never know.
Yeah, he's one of them guys who he'd have a big hole in his crotch area, and he used to scare me when he used to bend over.
So it's a 19 socket apparently. We did have a quick look underneath, didn't we? And there's no nut underneath, I don't think, anyway. Yeah. That I could see.
So Mike's just going to undo that. It's the Kubota GR2120, by the way. I've had this mower quite a while now, haven't I, Mike?
Yeah, you definitely.
2000. It was either 2010 or 2011. I'm not quite sure.
Before me.
But we've looked after it, haven't we, Mike?
You got it, haven't you?
Was it here before you started working with me?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know why it's lasted so long, don't you? Because I use it more than you.
You use it, yeah, I was just going to say.
You find if the owner of the business uses the tools, they last longer. Oh, okay.
It's the old one.
I found the part on eBay guys.
eBay gone.
And I saw one at Ron Smith's in Worcester. It was £50, but I managed to find this one for £40. Some people call him Rob Smith because they think he robs people.
There you go.
So yeah, does it look like the right part, Mike? It looks different size. Slightly. Looks like a different size, doesn't it?
Does, yeah, slightly.
That's
what the tension is there for.
I'm worried now. Maybe we should have measured it before I ordered it. This was probably part of the video. I'm going to have to cut a load out.
Can you raise it? I can't get my hand under.
I'm not going to be able to raise that without starting the engine.
That's what I mean, yeah.
Don't stick your hand under that deck, just in case I slip and start the blades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, that's going to be a great video, isn't it?
Where's the nut gone?
So we don't fit. It said on the description it fitted this model.
Well, that's what. Oh, so where's the nut gone, mate?
I have to send it back.
Yeah, the.
Is the bearing different size?
Yeah, the actual nut size, look, because it's bigger. I want to try and.
It's a pain in the ass, that is. Having to send it back. This better be the right one, mate.
I hope so.
Come all the way from Ireland, doesn't it, mate, this one?
I think so, it looks like it.
That looks better, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Woohoo! I'll get the mower out.
They count the chickens.
I didn't want to get the mower out and then find out it was the wrong one.
It might go up will it go up a bit more? It might go up a little bit more.
What, the deck?
Yeah.
I'll have to start it again. Don't have your hand under there.
Is that flat piece and the washer? Thank you.
Don't overdo it. I know what you're like, mate. Don't know your instrument. Get the old spring back on. So the old baling string, mate. Get it ready, yeah.
My gloves on so I don't rip my fingers off.
Health and safety. Just put gloves on for the benefit of the video, don't you, mate?
If someone wants to sponsor us some gloves, that'd be nice.
I've got over 100 pairs in stock. They can give us a free ride on Mower.
Right. Swap places, Carl. Is it all on?
Let's have a look. Oh no, that back one ain't on. It's on now. That's it. Put a bit of tension on there, isn't there, mate?
Oh yeah.
It's easier holding the camera. Ooh. Ooh. You can do it. Yeah, up. Way. Well done, mate. Oh, it's come out up here.
Don't say that.
Only joking. So, yeah, best to double check it though, isn't it, before we get it running. That's it. Hopefully that will last another 11 years or whatever it is. No? Hang on. What year we're in now? 2024? Yeah, 13, 14 years. Look, mate. Put that buying string back around your trousers now, mate.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
We'll do the toys at the same time.
So I'll try it with that on.
Yeah.